This is Sorak. Say hello to my universe. Our universe, Sorak Universe 777. Just saying hello. And right now, I might gonna do it, you know. I applied for Sonora Institute. I'm gonna see if I can pass the classes and graduate and do something. I wanna try if I can do a degree or whatever in firearms and all that stuff. I wanna just see if I can do something different, because I'm getting tired of cleaning. Nothing wrong with cleaning. Nothing wrong with scrubbing toilets. Nothing wrong with whatever. Because we need people that clean stuff, you know. And I don't mind, you know. I don't have no gagging thing about dirty stuff, because I've been through a lot when it comes to cleaning. But I want to do something different. And I admit it. I want something that I earned that I can hang in a wall, if you know what I mean. But I don't want that degree to be in a wall. I just want to apply it and use it for something else, you know. If I have people that need help, help them. And unfortunately, I might have to make a business out of that. And you know my point of view when it comes to money, but so far this is that's the system that I have right now. So it's kind of like right now you all of a sudden you travel back in time and you are in the 2000s and you have a Windows 10 computer. Yeah, sometimes that's how I feel. But regardless of that, but I want to do that. It looks like it's something that I understand. Might be some a ton of challenges because of my learning skills, disabilities, and stuff like that. But I'm gonna try. Man. The thing that I'm like upset about it is that a long time ago, and about 20 years ago, I was majoring on journalism. And I was very close to do it. And I was very close to finish that major. I might have been talking from another place, another country, because I might be covering in news or something over there or whatever. But the thing is that I make a silly mistake or idiot. And I didn't finish college, which is idiotic. Nothing wrong if you decide to study something else. You know, you don't have to necessarily go to college, but at least study something that will help you think differently and open your mind about different stuff. Because if you're going to do the same thing that people has been doing forever, nah. Why? But yeah. Right now, you see what I'm saying when I'm talking to you kids? Don't quit study something. Just don't get out from school and go ahead and work in a store. Do something with your life, something that will make this planet a little bit better. Like I tell you, we need, in this planet, we need educated people. In this universe, we need educated people. In anything. Like I'm going to try to do the Sonora Institute or S.D.I, whatever, so I can have my degree on firearms technology or whatever, because I just want to do something. But, and I think it might be a good thing to turn one hobby into a career or into a business or whatever. But yeah, I was going to be a journalist, but no. Look at me. Very clean. Nothing wrong to get dirty. Nothing wrong to scrub toilets. Nothing wrong to work in the grounds and dig holes and pull bad stuff from the yard and stuff like that, and trimming trees and cutting trees and working hard and sweating. Nothing wrong with that. It's just right now, as this society it is, if you don't have a degree, they look you down, and they might pretend, oh no, we'll respect you and all that stuff, but no, that's not how it is. They might put it like a very romantically. Oh yeah, they might do it very romantically and say, oh yeah, we respect you. You know, But someone with a tie and a suit, clean cut, or maybe with the beard, but you know, clean out, with a suit, you know, like formal stuff, won't give a hug to someone like this, you know, someone like this. You see, I have my t-shirt. You see how filthy I am? They won't give a hell hug. And sometimes you might feel awkward to give a hug to someone like that, because you think that you're filthy, and you are, you know. That's why when I get off from work, the first thing that I want to do is take a shower. Because that's not the right way to go to sleep or to do something. You know, you ain't gonna go to the movie theater looking like this, no? With your whole thing all muddy and stuff. But yeah, I just wanna study something. Gather some knowledge about something and do something with that. Help humanity somehow. Because let me tell you guys, so far we are not doing nothing differently. We're still doing the same things. But you know, maybe if I educate myself and everyone educate themselves on doing whatever they want, or they have interest in, they might help them, or they might help humankind to be better. Because definitely we need that. We need that help. Because what we're doing so far is not good. We haven't made this planet a little bit better. We haven't made nothing work. This planet doesn't make any sense, you know. So you know, sometimes you get tired of this nonsense of doing the same thing over and over and over, and working hard and don't get enough sleep. And maybe if you work third shift, that's what you get. What you're doing right now, you're working third shift, you're working long hours, and some people might love it because, you know, some people love to do stuff like that, and that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. But I think everyone, whatever they are right now, whatever their position they're right now, they have to shoot for something better. And that's what I'm trying to do right now. But yeah, I might have to go back to not gonna try to go back to college or the institute, to S.D.I or Sonora Institute, and try to do something. Try to make sense out of stuff, and part of me still want to hang this diploma in the wall and use it to help someone, but no. Why you keep saying that's disgusting? Try to do something with my life. Like I tell you, nothing wrong to scrub toilets. There's nothing wrong to do laundry and to work, whatever that you're doing right now. And if you love that and if that's your passion, keep going at it. Keep going at it. That is your food, and you're starving right now. And if that's what gives meaning to your life, keep doing it. But right now, as we speak, I'm just doing whatever I can to survive, and be in the most comfortable situation that I can do stuff. And let me tell you, there'll be a lot of enemies when it comes to you to reinvent yourself. Be friends, loved ones, family that would not understand and refuse to understand that you're trying to make yourself a new person. Reinvent yourself, like take all those pieces and take it out and rebuild and add and subtract whatever is wrong with you. And that's what we are trying to that's what I'm trying to do with my life, because I'm getting tired of doing the same thing over and over. Have to wake up in the morning, have to do this, have to do that, have to. Not want to, have to. And I know you have to be responsible, and that's what I'm doing, trying to be as much responsible as I could. But I think if you want to make this planet a little bit better, you have to be responsible for yourself, for your own happiness, for your own well-being and stuff like that, because I tell my kids, a family is a table, and that table is a table because it has 4 legs or 3, regardless what table it is. But most of the tables have, the old-fashioned ones have 3, 4 legs, and all the legs are necessary, to keep that table a table. And that's what we need to do. You need to take care of yourself, because by taking care of yourself, the table is working. And we cannot, if this planet or your family or this universe is a table, all the legs are necessary to keep that table level and have a table instead of wobbling thing. And you have to do some effort and maybe some sacrifice, but you cannot sacrifice a whole leg, because if you take out that leg from that table, it's no longer a table, it's a wobbling thing, because it won't hold nothing in there. It might be a ramp now, because if it tilts, it might be a ramp. But you need to take care of yourself, and by doing that, it means that you're not an egocentric person or egomaniac. It means if you don't take care of yourself, the whole concept of your family or your friends, or the whole concept of a planet, or all that will be pointless to do that. What is the point of having something that doesn't work? Doesn't make sense. And that's what I want you guys to do. To take care of yourselves the best way you can. And try to be the best version of you that you can be. Because you need to take care of yourself in order to... For example, if right now you want to go to the doctor, you want that doctor to be healthy, so he can cure you. So let's say that you're going to go to the mechanic. You want that mechanic to be healthy, be strong, and be his best, so he can fix your car or your truck or whatever. And that's what I'm telling you guys. You need to take care of yourself in order to take care of others. And that's what I'm telling you. That's what I can tell you. Right now I might go back to college and have a degree on firearms technology or something.